What if you had the opportunity to be a part of something groundbreaking, something revolutionary? What if you could partner with a group of visionaries and technology leaders? And what if together you could accomplish something exciting? Who knows? You might just shape the future. The number one challenge of the 21st century is the need for abundant and clean energy. Fusion energy has the potential to provide this to the world, and General Fusion is addressing this challenge to develop commercially viable fusion energy. It's a project that has the power to transform the world. To create fusion energy, hydrogen atoms need to be fused together. This can only be done by heating atoms to extremely high temperatures, the temperature at the center of the sun. This is not an easy task, but it is a task worth completing, because fusion has the potential to provide a clean, safe, and sustainable energy source for the world, delivering continuous, large-scale power without harming the environment. Around the world, scientists are making significant breakthroughs and progress on fusion technologies. Fusion is coming. It's not a case of if, but rather when fusion energy will be harnessed. It's a race that General Fusion plans to win. In 2002, General Fusion's founder, Dr. Michel Laberge, reimagined an idea for fusion power that, being afforded modern electronics and materials, as well as advances in plasma physics, he could build upon his predecessor's discoveries of magnetized target fusion.
In the 70s, there was a machine called Linus, and that machine was a magnetized target fusion machine. It was developed by the Naval Research Lab in Washington, D.C. And in magnetized target fusion, you make the plasma first, which is not very dense, not very hot, but then you compress it real quick. And when you compress it quick, it gets hotter and it gets denser. And then it gets hot enough and dense enough to make fusion reaction, which make neutrons. The neutron comes out, hit the liquid metal, that will heat the liquid metal. You go in the steam generator, make some steam, make some electricity. However, at the time, they didn't have very good technology. So when you wanted to compress, it was a bit slow. So we want to compress faster. And we have new material today that are stronger and can put more pressure. And if you go faster, you also have to synchronize the piston better. And for that, we have now a new modern electronic, which allows us very good synchronization. So we can do a much better job than they were doing in the 70s and have a much better chance of working.
In the last 12 years, General Fusion has grown to a team of 65 and become the world leaders in MTF technology. The company has made significant progress. Key subcomponents of its MTF system have been built at scale, including the world's largest plasma injectors. We believe this approach is the fastest and most economical path to commercial fusion energy. It is an achievement that will transform our world's energy supply. Unlimited, clean, safe energy. It's time to rethink fusion.